Are you gonna let me do your makeup?
No, fuck,
yes,
never.
Please, let me do it.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
I hate you.
Can I shave your head?
It is not the same thing because it's not permanent.
The picture's permanent, the video's permanent.
So your girls got an audition today. I can't say what it is, but it's for a live action remake of a classic. You might be able to figure out who I'm auditioning for based on the outfit. I don't know, let's see. I am auditioning for everyone's favorite childhood villain. I don't know if this outfit can really tell. This is really all the green that I have, but okay. Yep, that's right. I'm back at Din Tai Fung after 2 days. Very special guest. So I started Blue Apron because I don't really have time to like plan meals and then go grocery shopping and then cook them. I really only have time to cook. If I'm being honest, sometimes I don't even have time to cook. But this video isn't sponsored, but I just wanted to show you guys like kind of what the situation was in case you decided to do it. So the recipes for this week are spicy fusilli pasta and broccoli and apple and cheddar grilled cheese. Honestly, this sounds like really good, if I'm being honest. But yeah. So they come pre-packaged. They give you the perfect amount per serving. So instead of giving you a whole loaf of bread, they only give you 4 slices. Got some portioned out, I was about to say broccoli. Got some carrots. I got the pasta. It looks like it's already cooked. Oh, no, it's not. They call it knickknacks, like all the little ingredients, like seasonings and things like that. Those are called knickknacks. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this out. Maybe I'll like vlog it so you guys can see like what the situation is, but I'm really excited to have real whole foods that I cook. What's up everyone? I'm here in the city of Los Angeles, reunited with baby boy over here. Say hi, Chris. Hey. We're going thrift shopping. We're gonna go see what we can find. We're going to Buffalo Exchange and then we're gonna go visit Melrose again, and we'll show you guys what we got. It's so hot outside. Hello everyone. Oh my god, this lighting is popping. So I'm gonna do a PR unboxing right now, but just so you know, 810 is not my apartment number, so if you think you got me, you don't. So I'm gonna open this first one from Paula's Choice. All bodies are good bodies. Oh my gosh, look at this, it's so cute. Ceramide, it contains ceramide and squalene. Those are like my favorite moisturizing ingredients. Oh my god, I'm so stoked. Thank you, Paula's Choice. Ooh, the texture is like a whipped cream kind of texture, if that makes sense. My heart is missing some pieces. How you gonna fix it? And then the next package is from Mercier. Laura Mercier's Bohème Chic Eye Clay Palette. Wow, look at that, look at that. They look like cushion eyeshadows. So pretty. Oh, this color is gorgeous. What color is that? Metallic rose gold. I don't even know if this camera is doing this color any justice, but wow. Thank you, Laura Mercier. Oh my god. Pero it's not opening. Bakit? Avatara skin. Ooh. Ooh, sheet masks. Oh yes, ma'am. These are really cool. Hydrogel lip mask, chill out face mask, clear out, shape up, fill it up, even out, plump it up. Thank you so much, Valare and Avatara. Who's here?
Let me get off the
We're going to what's it called? Paradise Falls?
Yeah.
We're going to Paradise Falls in Thousand Oaks. That was in Malibu.
No, Thousand Oaks. I
sent you the address. Farther. Yay! Yay! Very enthusiastic.
What is that?
Good morning. Outfit of the day. What's up, everyone? I'm at Santa Monica Pier with some very special guests.
Hey guys! Hello! We brought her out to do touristy stuff. She's like never here.
I have literally been, this is my second time here, so I literally never come here. Listen, it's like tourist central over here, so I never want to come to the west side.
Wait, if you want to go to the beach, what beach do you go to?
Long Beach. That's even further.
Yeah, but that's where she was from.
Yeah.
Oh, that's true.
Well, actually, our beach really sucks, though. Yeah, we're just waiting in line to eat some food at Bubba Gum. We're starving.
We'll be a little happier.
Coconut shrimp. She got the po' boy. Got the
double vlogging.
burger. The New Orleans. Hello. So I just realized that I didn't really vlog this entire day. I'm such a good YouTuber. But basically I had a meeting today and I went back. This foundation is honestly so good. I need to show you guys what I got. But anyway, so I went back to Melrose today because I was just in the area for my meeting, and I returned all that stuff that I got at Urban Outfitters for that video that I did with Kobe. And I felt really bad that Kobe couldn't return anything because his dumbass lost the receipt. The only reason why he bought that stuff was for my video, so I like felt bad about it. So I went to Round 2, which is like a not a consignment shop, but like a resale store in LA, and they sell like a bunch of like streetwear stuff. So I got this for him. It's like a belt bag, Supreme belt bag. I don't know what collaboration this was, or maybe it wasn't a collaboration, maybe it was just like a part of one of their collections, but I bought that. Oh, I didn't show you guys what I got at the thrift store yesterday. Let me show you guys what I got. This foundation is so good, my God. So first of all, I got so many sunglasses. So I got these pair. I think they're so cute. I literally look like E40. You know what I'm saying? E40 is shook, or maybe like, I don't know, I feel like P. Diddy had these glasses for a while, like in the early 2000s. And then I also got these ones. Oh! I don't know why I bought so many sunglasses, but I guess I just really love sunglasses. Look at these. Ah! Could you just die? Oh! Oh! Wow. So these are the sunglasses that I got. And then I went to like this super like vintage thrift store. They sell a bunch of vintage stuff from like they have stuff from the 20s. Like they have stuff from every decade. This is obviously like from the 70s or something like that, but it's so cute. Look at that. It's like a gold. I know you can't really tell in this lighting, but it's like a sheer, sparkly gold kind of shirt. It has a collar right here. And the thing that I love about these is the buttons. Look how cute these buttons are. And it's like made really well. It's not in bad condition at all. And then it has like these little cufflinks right here on the sleeves. And then I don't know. I haven't really tried it on yet. I hope it fits, but it looks like it would drape really well on my body type. Cause I don't know, like button down shirts like this usually look really good on me. So I got that. And then, oh my God, you guys are gonna die at this one. Look how cute this is! Oh my gosh! Look! I have no idea like what year this is from, but ugh, it is so cute. It kind of sucks because it's getting hot outside, so I probably wouldn't be able to wear this as often as I'd like, but I'm still gonna wear it during the summer. Ugh, isn't this so cute? I love sweatshirts like this. Oh man, wow. Great find, Asia. Great find. Well, actually, Chris found it. He was gonna buy it, but it was too small for him, so I decided to get it. Hey!